you've never heard of Emmet or HTML for CSS, you're in for a treat. I'm going to show you 5 tips to save you hours of coding in the long term. And if you have heard of Emmet, stick around. I'm sure one of these you haven't heard of yet. Let's go take a look. So number 1 on the list is generating HTML boilerplate. So all you do is you do an exclamation point or a bang and then press tab, and you've generated all your HTML boilerplate ready to go with all the device type, the meta tags, title, and you can just start coding. Simple as that. Number 2, make multiple elements at once. Need a list with 5 items? Well, just type this, an unordered list with a list item and times 5, and you can see the preview in CodePen here, and there you go. You've just created an unordered list with 5 list items. And number 3 on the list, generate IDs and classes instantly. So if we type in div and then do a hashtag for an ID, and we'll put in main, and then we'll add a class and we'll do dot container, and then all you do is you press tab, and there you go. You've created a div with an ID of main and a class of container instantly. Number 4 on the list is if you need dummy text or dummy data, one quick way to add it is by using lorem ipsum. You've probably seen it everywhere. It's like an Italian poem, and all you do is you type in lorem and press tab, and with Emmet you can get loads of generated dummy text that you can use to fill out paragraphs or sections very, very quickly. And you can even decide how long you want it. So if I type in lorem 10, it's only going to give me 10 words. If I want just 5 words, do lorem 5. And 5th on the list is Emmet with CSS. You may not have known, but you can actually use Emmet with CSS. So if I type in M10, I can do margin 10 pixels. If I do B10 and press tab, I can do padding top 10 pixels. And it goes on. If you want to change the background to red, you could do BG and then put in red here, press tab, and there you go. Now you've got a background in red. So make sure you explore all the Emmet shortcuts that are out there and save yourself hours of coding. Remember, always code smarter, not harder.